leave me away. If you love me, never, never leave me, baby. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Chef Fonte here, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you, well, showing you, because not teaching you, girl's not a teacher, okay? But I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be doing my passion twist, but it's a braid pattern that makes it look more natural. It's not just straight to the back. So your girl's gonna be trying this out for the first time to see if it works out, because I saw a lot of our natural YouTube beauties on here doing it. So your girl is gonna be doing the same thing, so stay tuned for this video. So what we're doing here is we're going to take our hair and part it into sections, and then we are going to do some individual braids as if we were doing, you know how they do the box braids, and then attach the hair to that. But it's not that, it is an illusion. Put some edge control. I don't actually own any edge control. This is my sister's edge control. Let's see if it focuses. So I'm gonna try this out because my hair tends to get frizzy a lot, like fast. So right here I'm just braiding the single braids, and I'm showing you that you need to part it into sections. What I would advise is that you do smaller sections than what I did, because you'll see at the end what it turned out to look like. It was a natural look, but it wasn't the look that I was looking for. So this is how my hair ended up turning out as I parted it singly, braided it. Like I said before, you want to do the squares, you want to split those squares into half. So basically you'll have like 3 to 4 rows of braids. Also want to say, if you're anticipating and doing your own hair and you have like a braid of hair like mine that's thick and, you know, course, set out a long time to do your hair. This is not going to take 3-4 hours. Okay, it's going to take a little bit more, but it's okay. Work with what you got. I did finish the little braiding pattern. I don't really want to show y'all because I'm not a really good braider. Okay, so it's just all over the place. It's probably not straight parts, but whatever, don't judge me, judge your mama. Okay, look, can y'all see that? It look a little bit crazy, a little bit. But then I just got some hair thread and sewed it together so that it can be flat-ish. And now I'm about to install it. So I will show you guys how I install it and then the finished product. So as you can see, I clearly didn't make it back to taking pictures and showing you how I installed it and all of that. But here are some clips of what it looks like maybe 3 or 4 days later. Yeah, y'all, it was rough. It took me a very long time to finish it, but I charged that to me being pregnant and whatnot. So like I said before, if you're gonna do this, set aside some time. That's it. Thanks for watching.